Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Andrew Gerard has recently joined an IT company located in Fairmont, California, as a DevSecOps engineer. Due to robust security and cost-effective service provided by AWS, his organization has migrated all the workloads from on-prem to AWS Cloud in January of 2020. Andrew's team leader has asked him to integrate AWS Secret Manager with Jenkins. To do so, Andrew installed the AWS Secret Manager Credentials Provider plugin in Jenkins and configured an ING policy in AWS that allows Jenkins to take secrets from AWS Secret Manager. Which of the following files should Andrew edit to add access ID and secret key parameters along with the region copied from AWS? Option A. etc, filebeat, YML. Option B. etc, susconfig, Jenkins. Option C. etc, file, Jenkins. Option D. etc, susconfig file, Jenkins. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, etc, susconfig, Jenkins. Question 2. Gabriel Bateman has been working as a DevSecOps engineer in an IT company that develops virtual classroom software for online teaching. He would like to clone the BDD security framework on his local machine using the following URL. https github.com continuum security BDD security git. Which of the following commands should Gabriel use to clone the BBD security framework? Option A. Git clone https github.com continuum security BDD security git. Option B. Git clone https github.com continuum security BDD security git. Option C. GitHub clone https github.com continuum security BDD security git. Option D. GitHub clone https github.com continuum security BDD security git. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Git clone https://github.com/continuum security/bdd-security.git. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.